What?
Oh, too bad he doesn't have shoes on. That'd make it a little better to walk.
Take his socks off.
Should we take his socks?
On the side of his shirt.
Hey, stand up, buddy. Okay, let's do some walking. Show you stuff. Show you stuff.
Come here, Jack. Come here, Jack. Jack. Come here, Jack.
Wait, let him go. He's pointed toward Missy, so let him try going toward Missy.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Oh. Come here. You can do it. Come here. Come here.
Wait, take his pants off.
Dad, you're weird.
It works, I tell you.
Come here. Okay.
I'm gonna take your pants off.
We're gonna take your pants off. It might get a little stinky.
Does it stink?
Yep, sure does.
Let's change his diaper after. There we go. Okay, come here, buddy. Yeah.
Come to the kitty. The kitty.
Kitty. Okay, come on,
Come
buddy.
to the kitty.
You can do it. You can do it.
Come to the kitty. The kitty. Come to the kitty.
Oh, oh. You
Come
can do it,
to
buddy.
the kitty.
Come on. Come on.
The kitties are going backwards. Cute. Pookie, get over here.
Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Get a little closer to him.
Come here, Jack.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Wipe out.
Wipe out. Not today.
Not today. Take off his shirt. Take off his diaper, he'll do it.
I think we don't really need to see that.
Okay.
We don't need to see Poopy Butt walking around.
Alright, I guess that's it, huh?
Watch this, Dad.
Yeah, he likes to push them. Get ya. Hey, Joe. Tell him you're gonna get him.
Get you. Get Jack. Get you. Get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Gotcha. Stinks. Chew you off. Chew you off. Chew you off. I can't get that off. Oh, okay.
Oh, there he goes. Okay, that's probably enough.
I think so. Okay. Come here. Come here. Here, give Mommy this. Come here. Come on, buddy.
Get the rubber legs.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on. You can do it. Come here. Okay. Okay, we gonna do it? We gonna do it? Come here. Whoa! Okay. Let's get balanced real good. Come here. Come here.
Legs are buckling.
What did you just do for Mommy? Let's show Daddy what you just did for Mommy. Jack, you drive me insane.
Okay.
Look over